So this is the Juxxe X1 true wireless stereo earbuds. So yeah. Let's start with the packaging. It says Bluetooth 5.0. Packaging dimensions, box content, Juxxe Jam Sprots earbuds. You can tell it's made in China. Jam Sprots. Charging case, Type-C USB cable, 3 sets of silicone ear gels, user's manual, has the headset weight, right headset 6.5 grams, left headset 5.8 grams, charging case 67 grams, 12-month warranty, operating temperature -10 to +55 degrees Celsius. So that's everything you need to know about that. That's all the information on the outside box. Now, how do I open? How do I open? You should, like, logically, it should just push out. Hang on, change that to manual focus. Right. Why doesn't it open? I don't like ruining the packaging. I really like to keep the box intact, but I can't get it out. So, oh, and that is not even peeling out nicely. It's really jammed in here. Okay, so I am just gonna have to cut the packaging open. This is a bit silly. There we go. Oh, it didn't even open nicely. Oh, it's very disappointing. Ah, there we go, finally. So it should have just popped out, but this was wrapped around it so tightly there was no way it was going to slide out. So inside we have this box. Let me try and give you a slightly better view. Right, so inside this outer wrapping, which was way too tight to just slide off, we have this beautiful red box, and ooh, the lid just lifts. It lifts off. So inside we have the quick start guide. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder of my camera is upside down. So this is first page, what's in the box, how to charge it, how to wear the earphones, how to pair with Bluetooth, and how to do a sound test and use the volume and microphone. It has a microphone. So yeah, that's the instruction leaflet. And inside here, again, very well cushioned, so the whole thing is really well packaged. Oh, that's all come out. Oh, there's another booklet here. I think this is the warranty. Yeah, it's got instructions in other languages apart from English. Looks like it has English, German, French, Spanish, Chinese and Japanese, hiragana, katakana. Some foam. This is the case. So that's got a plastic thingy on it, and that pops open. Oop, sorry, that opens like that. It's hard working upside down. So these headphones are actually quite big. I've never seen any wireless headphones up close, but The actual ear bit, that's sort of the size of my usual headphones. I usually use JVC gummies. They're really good sound quality, really comfortable to wear, and a reasonable price, about between £5 and £10 per pair, and available in lots of colours. Ooh, oh, they're blinking at me. Is it because I'm moving them around? The box also has some lights on it. I guess that's maybe a charge indicator. I have not read the instructions yet. And in the bottom of this bit is spare ear things. Very important. I'm always losing these off my regular headphones because I just shove them in my bag. They're always popping off and getting lost. So it's always nice to have replacements. Also, they have them in, I should mention that the replacements come in different sizes because different people find different sizes comfortable in their ears, because not everybody has the same size ear hole. I don't know what you call your ear hole, well, the correct term for an ear hole is, but whatever it is, people have different sizes, and that's why they always supply the extras of these in different sizes. And along with that, a little charging cable. It's quite short, it's maybe 10-15 centimeters long. And yeah, that's it. So that is the unboxing portion of the video over and done with. I shall go through what the quick start guide. So first of all, what's in the box, blah blah blah. Charging, right. It's recommended to charge the product first when you use it for the first time to ensure the product has sufficient power. The indicator light on the charging box will be flashing when being charged. At the same time, the LED on the earphone inside the charging box will be respiratory flashing. Respiratory flashing, I think they mean blinking, and gone off automatically until the battery is fully charged. So I guess they blink while they're charging and then they stop blinking when they're fully charged. The LED lights on both charging box and earphone will be lighted up when opening the charging box. Okay, that explains why it was flashing at me. Earphone wearing. Select an ear gel, like I was saying. Select the ear gel that is most comfortable for you and pop it on the earbud. Take the earphone from the charging box and try to wear it according to your choice and change of rubber sleeve that suits you. Put the earphone in your ears and rotate it to make the microphone on the below and face the front. So one of these, it does have a microphone. I guess they're both microphones. So you just have to make sure that this microphone is facing the front of your head and not the back of your head. So Bluetooth pairing, you need to pair the headphones with your phone or iPad or whatever you're going to use in order to get them to work. So it says pick up the earphone at the same time and put it in your ears. You can hear the voice prompts from the earphone starting up and pairing. Turn on the Bluetooth function of your phone and search for Jam Sports X1 to pair. Please note the earphone will be turned off if it's not operated for 3 minutes outside the charging box. Then the earphones need to be put back into the charging box for 5 seconds and then repaired with the earphones returned to the charging mode. Right, okay. So if you take them out of the box and don't use them for 3 minutes, they'll turn themselves off. Right, so when you take them out of the box, they're turned on. And if you leave them for 3 minutes without using them, they will turn themselves off. So to turn them back on, put them inside the charging box for 5 seconds, at which point you will need to repair them. So I guess you need to pair them every time you use them. When the earphone is connected in the wrong way, you can also put the earphone back into the charging box at the same time for 5 seconds. When the charging light is on, take out and repair. Okay, I think that makes sense. I understood it anyway. If you don't, that's not my problem. So then Sound test. Jam Sports X1 adopts touch control, touching the position with a logo J in the centre of the earphone's round shell. Right, okay, so this here, this J, can you see? Ooh, see there's a J there? That little circle with the J in it? That is the touch control. So you touch that. Select to play music, click on any one of the left and right to pause and play music. Double click on the left ear to play the next track, double click on the right ear to play the previous track. Oh, okay. Long press on the right ear to increase the volume and long press the left ear to decrease the volume. Make 3 hits continuously to open the smart voice function provided by the mobile phones itself, such as Siri. The right ear is the main ear and can be using with a single earphone alone. Ah, I've heard about this. So the way that these wireless headphones work is that one of these, in this case the right one, is the one that connects with the phone via Bluetooth. It then sends the signal for the music to the left one. So if you just want to use one, you can take the left one out and just use the right one, but you can't just use the left one without the right one. Does that make sense? So if you lose one, you better lose the left one because you can still use the right one. So, oops. So yeah, so you can also use these to talk to Siri by making 3 hits. Touching the J 3 times. If there is a call, the track playing will be automatically paused and switched to the call function. The music will be played again after the call hanging up. So that's why it has microphones in it. So you can, so this is the microphone, the little dot there, I guess. I'm guessing that's the microphone, that one there. So yeah. So you can use them just like normal headphones. So I guess all there is to do now is to give them a charge and field test them. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So I've had a little play with the Juxxe headphones now. First impressions, I really love the little box it comes in. Everything fits in very neatly. The only drawback I'd say is that there is no way to store the charging wire. I mean, it's quite a short wire. It's only like, what, 15 centimetres? It would be nice if there was some way to sort of incorporate this into the case, but there isn't. Or, you know, if it had maybe a little groove where you could just, you know, wrap the cord around and just store it all together, that would just be amazing. But apart from that, got no problems with this. The only other thing which would make this a little bit better is, you see the little silver button there, the silver circle with the J in it, that is the control button, and it is quite difficult to find this when it's in your ear. It takes a lot of there's no way, it's not raised or anything like that, so I would have liked it to be slightly raised or have like a little bump on it, you know, like you get on a calculator or a keyboard. There's just a little bump on the number 5 so that blind people can find it and know where they are on the keyboard. That would have been awesome if there was some little thing to just help you find the control button on the earpieces. As for the way they work really, really well. It's a bit weird getting used to them because I'm normally wear in-ear cable headphones, so it's a bit weird getting used to the bulk of them, but after wearing them for a few minutes it felt okay. I would definitely say have an experiment with the different sized earpieces. These ones that it came with were a bit too loose for me. It did fall out, so I will be putting in the larger size ones just for a firmer fit. So it's really great that it came with different size silicone earbud things, and yeah, that's it. It actually talks to you in English, so when you put it in and turn the Bluetooth on your phone, once you've connected it, it remembers, your phone remembers them, so that when you go in to use them the next time, you turn on your Bluetooth and you'll get a little lady's voice saying, you know, connected to Bluetooth. So that's great. It does communicate with you in English, so you know what's going on. I've tested the volume up, the volume down, skipping forward, the 3 taps to activate your Siri or Bixby or whatever you've got on your phone. Everything worked really, really well. It's a shame I can't figure out a way to connect the audio from the speakers to the camera so I could record it, so you could see that the audio quality was really nice. There was no problems with the audio quality at all. So I'd say, yeah, these are a really great option if you don't want to shell out for, you know, Apple wireless earbuds or, you know, some other big name brand. These are a really great alternative because they worked really well. They look great. They are reasonably priced. I had a look on the Facebook page and it looks like they'll be retailing for about $49 US, which seems like a really good price to me. Yeah, I've got nothing else to say. It seems like a really great little product. I'm really glad they sent it to me, and yeah, I'm sure I'll be making really good use of this in the future. So that's it. Oh, if you do want to check out the product for yourself, there will be a link below to the Juxxe website, where I believe you can place an order for it. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, bye.